Welcome back to English Vocabulary Builder. Today, let's learn public speaking and confidence words. Eloquent. खूबसूरत अंदाज में बोलने वाला. For example, she gave an eloquent speech at the event. Stage fright. Stage पर बोलने का खौफ. For example, many people experience stage fright. Charisma. Jazbiyat. Kashishi shakhsiyat. For example, the speaker had great charisma. Rehearse. Mashq karna. Practice karna. For example, I rehearsed my speech many times. Anecdote. Choti dilchasp kahani. For example, he shared a funny anecdote during his talk. Audience. Sunne wale. Hazirin. For example, the audience clapped after the speech. Pitch. Tajweez pesh karna. For example, she gave a strong business pitch. Poise. Wiqar. Sukoon bhara andaz. For example, he spoke with great poise under pressure. अब बताएं, आप लोगों के सामने बोलते वक्त कैसा महसूस करते हैं? ऐसी ही वीडियोस के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें.